Alright guys, what you have here is our landscape drainage solution brought to you exclusively by the professors right here at Brooks Landscaping. And what's happening is the process that allows us to be able to put in our decorative river rock that also goes into a drain box, and that drain box is going to be able to ensure that that water no longer continues to go to the back side of this property where we were losing a lot of that particular Bermuda sod. We're going to be replacing that with the Zeon Zoysia. But what you're seeing take place right now is a design that I come up with that allows for us to be able to take that water into a drain box instead of having to pay for all of that, which would have been a dry creek bed. And so what's happening now is that we're just creating a 25-foot long dry creek bed, allowing for the client to be able to easily place it within their budget, but then also giving them the opportunity to solve their landscape problem once and for all. And so these are some of the ways in which we're out here every single day giving you cost-effective landscape drainage solutions and focusing on doing so in a way that allows you to be able to get the most out of your landscape. And that's exactly what's taking place right now. And so as you continue to watch this landscape unfold, stay tuned folks, because we got a lot in store. But I did want you to see exactly how we use our dry creek bed along with the installation of our drain box to ensure that we don't have any type of water moving through the landscape. And it's definitely due to the dedication and hard work of each and every one of the men come out here every single day. Guys, we're here and we're giving out landscape solutions, and we're solving our customers' landscape problems in the most effective way. Look forward to seeing you again on our next episode, but until then, I want to show you what we got going on, which it says that gutter downspout and or any water that you would have typically had on your landscape is being taken into a drainage system. And as you can see, that drainage system is what's going to allow for us to be able to get that water off of the back end of the property. So these are all solutions that we provide for you, and it also says these are ways in which we've been dedicated to giving you the most quality that is possible, and that's what we do each and every time right here at Brooks Landscaping.